Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today for our easy veg lunch, let's see what we have. We are going to make a very nutritious khichdi using this moong sprouts. See, they have sprouted so nicely. So let's begin. This is a simple one pot, one dish meal which is nutritious, tasty and filling too. We are going to make this khichdi in the pressure cooker itself. So here I am adding some cold pressed groundnut oil and along with that some ghee. First I am just adding some cashew nuts and raisins. We will fry them and drain it out. When they are fried well, drain it out. Next, add a small bit of cinnamon, 2 cloves, 1 bay leaf and 1 dry red chilli. Next, add a few mustard seeds, jeera. Next, I am adding some of this hing powder. I have 2 tablespoons of groundnut. We'll adding few onions I have chopped finely, 1 green chilli chopped and also 1 small piece of ginger I have crushed it. We'll also add in some curry leaves. Fry these together. Next I have some frozen green peas. You can take whatever vegetables are available at home. Today I had this piece, so I am taking it. And also 1 dry red tomato chopped. Fry everything very well. Then add some turmeric powder to it. Salt. I am adding some Kashmiri chili powder. Because we already have the spice from the green chili and the ginger, we don't want it to become over spicy. So Kashmiri chili powder is less spicy but it gives a good color. Mix everything very well. Then we'll add in our sprouted whole green moong. Here I have 1 cup of raw rice. This is the regular Sola Masuri rice which I have washed and kept. Mix it all well together. Now I am going to take water. We have taken 1 cup rice and half cup of moong. So I am going to add 3 cups of water. Now I am adding a few chopped coriander leaves and we'll wait till it comes to a boil. See, it is coming to a boiling now. At this stage, we'll cover it and cook it for 2 whistles and switch it off. See, while the khichdi is getting ready, we'll also dry roast the papad and keep a good combination for khichdi. See, the pressure has died down. Let me open it and see. See, our khichdi is nicely done and ready. I have added 3 cups of water. Some people like it in a more fluid form. Then you can add half cup more water depending on your taste. So now we are ready to serve this out. So before that, remember this cashew and raisin which we had fried at the beginning. We'll add that. We are ready to serve out our simple home style khichdi. Steaming hot. As accompaniment, I have some plain curd. I just added a pinch of salt and a small pinch of this roasted cumin or jeera powder. It will give a good flavor. I have some lemon pickle, homemade salted lemon pickle, and of course these papads to go with it. And no khichdi is complete without some ghee on it. So here again we'll use this ghee spray. So in this monsoon season with the rains and cool weather, it will be ideal to enjoy this steaming hot, nutritious moong sprouts khichdi with some papad and curd. Thank you for watching the video. We'll meet again with another interesting recipe video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.